Good morning. Well, survived another night. It's a little chilly last night. Let's look at the temperatures. Alright, so currently this morning it is 8.8 degrees, 21 degrees Celsius inside my pocket. Or actually, this is not my pocket anymore. And let's see what it was, the maximum and the mins. Maximum was 66 degrees last night in my hammock, 97, nice and warm. Minimum 44 degrees last night, 44.8, and inside my hammock was 49.6 degrees maximum. All right, let's get the day going. All right, we are breaking down camp, getting ready to head over to the waterfalls and see some pretty cool waterfalls. And then we might head over to Mammoth Lake area. Getting everything out of the bear box. Listening to some music this morning. It was pretty cool. We had a nice stream right next to where we were sleeping. Stream of water there. Had the hammock slung up. I can't remember if I got pictures or video of the hammocks, but they were from, Brian was from that tree to that tree, and I was from this tree to that tree. We both shared that tree. Anyway, it was nice. It was nice. We got some really cool night photography shots. Wait till you see these pictures. Look at that. Working on star trails and to see just how long we can make those stars last. I love this tree. One side branches, at least down low, all the way up. Man, gorgeous. All right, let's finish packing up. Got the solar station going right in the shadow. Look at that. Get out into the sun. Hopefully it'll charge up a little bit. All right, we'll see you. All right, we are here at the trailhead of the Rainbow Falls, and we're at the little information booth here, so we're going to show you what that looks like, so you can check it out if you want. My hat looks lovely. All right, anyway, here it is.
Thank you. My jandals? My Jesus.
So we're entering the Ansel Adams Wilderness. The guy who takes fantastic black and white pictures. And we're going around the John Muir Trail. Is around here. Is we on the John Muir Trail with this? Or
we're gonna be doing a little tiny part of the John Muir Trail right now.
Nice. Just kind of little guidelines for keeping things cool and clean and safe.
Black bears.
People are down, and there are bears here. We haven't seen any bears, but they said be careful.
Bummer.
Yeah, I know. It'd be cool to see one.
I want to meet a bear.
A nice little bear hug.
I see them in those Charmin commercials. They look like they give the best hugs.
Oh yeah, the soft cuddly fur. Chipmunks here and there. Beautiful forest. You can see the trees. They're walking along.
The picnic table didn't make it.
Oh my gosh. Good thing we weren't eating lunch here on this picnic table. Smash. Whoops. That's kind of funny. Not funny for the people having lunch there. Smash. Should get a picture of that.
Now.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. It's catapulting the other side.
Yeah. Just having lunch.
Instead of a lazy Susan, it's a lazy slope. You just kind of slide
exactly.
your burger down to the next person.
Want some soup?
Yeah. Going back's the tricky part. Wow.
Yeah, the fire.
Look at this tree, just massive. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. It'll be so fun to climb this. Hey, aerial traveler, what do you think of this tree? Huh? Fall over here. Look at that. All right. thing's huge. Look at the size of that. Unreal. All right, on to the falls. Or I should say down to the falls. Or I should say on our way back, we're going up from the falls. Oh, we're just coming off this trail. And we noticed there's a couple downed trees everywhere. It's almost like tree graveyard here. You can see it's very sunny. If these all used to be above us in shade, I hope the fire coming up doesn't do the same. Now look up on this hill up here. You see just remnant statues like obelisks or totem poles standing in honor of the dead against a naked hill. Barren, void of shade, just desolate. But they say out of that it's supposed to have some growth. I don't know how long that's been like that, but it's kind of a solemn moment here, seeing the fallen giants. Or just coming from that big, massive one was beautiful. So hopefully, I don't know, just thought we'd share this with you. A lot of fallen trees.
The Rainbow Fire. The fire that burned this area in 1992 began with a lightning strike 3 miles south of here. Strong winds, drought, and heavy surface fuels propelled the fire through 8,000 acres of dense forest. In response, a new community of plants and animals has moved in. Sun-loving ferns, herbs, berries are food for a wide variety of animals, big and small. In turn, some of these animals become food for others. And as the forest slowly regrows, a diverse mix of plants and animals are taking advantage of a productive yet temporary gap in the forest.
Helicopter. I can't see anything. Probably going to the fire. Well, maybe not, a little different. Here is the waterfalls up here. If we follow the creek, the stream, the river along, there are the lower falls, I guess the upper falls. Yeah. Water looks nice. Cool little climbable rock face over there. We're going to be heading over to the fall department now. Little white water into the falls. See how those look. Alright, here we're at Rainbow Falls. You can see some mist down the bottom down there, almost forming a rainbow. Nice falls. Plummeting. I'm not sure how much closer we're going to be able to get, but that's one shot there. And here we are at Rainbow Falls. Oh yeah, because the whole thing was glaciated here. You got some of that glacial polish on these rocks, and it is very slick. So careful, yeah, don't slip and fall. You could totally mount the slack line from this tree out. Maybe a tree over there somewhere. Another shot of the waterfalls. Rainbow Falls. All right, well, we just left Mammoth, or we're leaving Mammoth, trying to figure out what the conditions are like on the road. So we decided to come to the visitor center and ranger station, which hopefully will have some information about road closures. What roads are open? Should we go east to go back or go west? Inyo National Forest.
Face Ranger Station right here on the right.
It's climbing right there, look at that. Yeah.
Look at that granite. It's above Mammoth Lakes. That's a nice spot.
Place has a nice vibe to it. Cool looking cool looking building there. Little hoe or plow. Look at the big trout.
From there, but yeah, that's something.
I don't know what roads are open anywhere here.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Yeah, all right. Yeah. I think we're in the right place. You have a good drive.
Yeah, well,
This place has everything.
That's where those guys are climbing.
Oh yeah.